All right, welcome everybody. How is everyone doing out there this beautiful, beautiful day today? It's been a lot of sideways action. So yesterday, here's all our notes. You go down to the bottom. It says good news. Look for ranging possible over the weekend. Here as we monitor the volume, looking for bullish building volume bars and proof of commitment. So, this is kind of, there's nothing that we haven't expected here. We kind of just expected this thing just to keep moving in this range right here. Now you can range all the way up here to the high 36, 3700s. There's nothing that says you can't bounce all the way up here. And then at the same time, there's nothing that says you just can't bounce all the way down to the bottom. Now, just taking a look at this, like super quick, I mean, if I get down here and I just run down, I were to peek at this real quick as somebody just had looked at this chart, unless we broke out to a higher high right here, I would just start throwing some wedges on this thing and looking at this now as creating a bear flag, right? This would just start to be creating a bear flag for me. And looking for this to look at the volume. Our volume is just absolutely pathetic. Now we did get two nice volume candles back to back. We still have an hour to go in this volume candle. Nothing says this can't pick up pretty nicely. We're going to run this down to some 6-hour chart. A little bit of building volume. Now here's kind of crazy. You were bearish, and you had you were bearish for sure, and then you had bearish volume, so that was good. And then you just kind of flipped it right here. Now, honestly, to tell you guys the truth, it just looks like freaking bots. I mean, this just looks like some serious bot action, and the bots are just going back and forth. You see that our indicator here, until 1 mils indicator, is short long indicator. This is really also kind of signifying, what the bots are doing. The bots are like, everybody go long, everybody go short, and they're wrecking all the plebes in between. Just bots trading hands right here. Still 12-hour, let's look at the 12-hour volume. Now, we had this crazy candle. It's 3 candles ago. We followed it up with another crazy candle, right? We got an inverted hammer candle, which is bullish. Just bullish. And then we still fell out of here. Okay, so we still fell out. And look, like just looking at this, just to me, just says wedge. Also, a possible rising wedge right here, or flag. I mean, I could see this kind of move out into a flag pattern if it builds up a little bit, crashes down, builds up a little bit more, crashes down. It would just be building a big flag pattern for me, looking to fall out. Now, we have a bunch of support down there too. Let's see how we're going to close out our daily candle. Not a bad daily candle. Little bit on the bullish side right here. I mean, this is a pretty good daily candle. What I don't like about it is inside, right? And it looks more like a rising, kind of like this. See this? So you get this rising wedge here, right? This here in this same thing. Look, you did this rising wedge. Right, everybody thought there's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, going to wave 5, and just was no follow through. In fact, this was just an ABC. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I don't know where we're at inside of this wave, and I do have a wave count, but just looking at this, you see the wave 1, you see the wave 2. Right now, inside of here, where is this? Wave 1, 2. This is wave 3, 4. Looking for wave 5 down just a little bit lower. And I mean, there's no reason we can't find wave 5 down here, 2900, because this does look like an impulsive wave. This is the corrective wave. This is an impulsive wave. Right? And yeah, so I really don't see anything else other than that. We're going to go back over here. 4-hour. God, love the range trading. And we're going to come over here, our support and resistance. Now, this weekly is putting in a really nice wick. We did the same thing. Look at the beautiful wick we put in 2 weeks ago. Beautiful wick we put in 2 weeks after that. This is really indicators resetting themselves. Right, this thing was just all the way down here to 2900, just bounced all the way up. We did get a really nice bounce right here. Great scalp trading if you are scalping. This is a really great area to scalp right now. Right, really great area to scalp. Yeah, this is a good scalping trade for sure. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the heck happened on Phoenix over here? Man, somebody hit the wrong damn button, right? Holy cow! Look at Phoenix. Somebody hit the wrong damn button on Phoenix and just, jeez, ouch. Look at that. That's, yeah, that was a hell of a wick right there. I mean, that thing ran all the way up to 3,800, right? You gotta, I don't know. I mean, that's crazy. That's just super crazy right there. That is a wicked wick. I mean, geez, I'd have to count that one out. That's crazy. Whoever bought in right there, somebody just got it brutal. It says, did you long this or wait for the? I am not. Listen, I am not longing in this right now. I'm waiting. In order for me to go long, I really need to see this area broken. This has got to get up here and break this 3,800 area, right? I'm just looking to load more shorts up in here. I would just like to load more shorts up into here. I'm going to take it easy this weekend. You know, I'm just going to kind of take it easy this weekend. I expected this range trading over the weekend, and this is what we're getting, right? This is not a surprise at all. This shouldn't come surprises anybody, right? We already told everybody in the last few videos just to expect range trading, and then you know what it's got to break over. Everybody already knows. We already signified exactly what it's got to break over to break out of wave one. All right, you got to break over this, and then to break this as an ABC bounce, you got to break over 3840. Okay, so we already know everything we need to know going into this weekend, and this is what happens in the weekend. Low volume trading, just the bots are having fun. The bots are making a little bit of money. Can't hate them for what they're doing. BLX chart, nothing. Same thing. We're really watching this new indicator here. Interesting. Here's the daily. Now this usually doesn't like to do a double tap on here. Right, I'm going to take a look at this. Right, once you get under this mean line on the daily, it likes to stay under the mean line. Right, I hear you did bounce out of it. This is a daily chart. So that was August. Yeah, once you get under this like this deep right here, see this deep? It likes to stay in a channel underneath here once you get deep. See, 1, 2, 3. So there's nothing right here to me that says until this breaks out of the top side, this is not bullish, especially over here on this daily chart. We've put over here, you know, a couple different ideas of ranging. This is all we're expecting, right? I mean, this is up here, and we said, hey, this is, you know, this can just range like this until it falls out. I know it sucks. I know it's hard. I know it's frustrating. And then I know you're watching all these, you know, people who are telling you, you know, this is it, the bottom's in. I swear to God, I saw like multiple the bottom's in posts today. And it just drives me mad to watch these damn bullish, these people who says the bottom is in posts. Please, people, the bottom is not in. We know this. That doesn't mean you don't have the bottom to a near-term correction isn't in, right? Hold on a second. Sorry, typing some notes in the members area. Baby Bull Jesus, we pulled up a little bit. Right, we really haven't landed on a support area over here for the NVT chart for Baby Bull Jesus. This is why, I mean, I don't feel like I would like to see one more little poke down still, and then we'll have the talk about it. VPVR, the daily just putting up a really, really nice doji candle over there. Right, I want to go back over here. This really nice doji, this long-legged doji. Right, now remember, people, long-legged dojis are not bullish. Right, they're not. They are not bullish in any way. Now they can bounce, but they are not a bullish signal. If this is a long-legged doji and this forms out to be another long-legged doji right here, this can still fall out. We just went over that the other day with a lower time frame chart. I think it was our 4-hour chart where you see like this one, long-legged doji, little reversal, done, right? Long-legged doji, done, long-legged doji. So you guys have got to be careful with these long-legged dojis. They can give you a little bit of bounce, but not a bottom like they've done in the past. 1, 2, there's 3. I mean, they're ugly, okay? Got to be careful with these. A spinning top would be a much more bullish candle for me. And nothing. ADX hasn't turned. RSI. This RSI cup right here is really weird on the 12-hour. It's a really weird RSI cup. Baby Bull Jesus on the ADX getting closer. Ooh, trying to roll back up over here on our WMA. All right, so if this rolls down, right? This rolls up. This is bullish. Okay, and it's trying to roll up. If this rolls over to the downside, this is extremely bearish. It's funny because we had this roll over and we got that last little dump. We got that last little dump we had, right? You see where this thing rolled over and you literally went from 39.80 just straight down to 3,300 just from this little tick right here, just a little tick. This is a very dangerous indicator. This is a true strength index, and if this rolls over, if this thing tries to come all the way back down here, it will be an absolute shit show. But it is at resistance. Nothing. Shorts. Oh, wow. Very interesting. Okay. So, this is good. I like it. Right? Longs to shorts. Wow. What a dump. Right? So, one, shorts. They dumped. Boy, shorts dumped hard, right? RSI of the shorts. All right, 3, the longs, RSI. Still looks like H and S, right? This still looks like a head and shoulders right here, right? Still looks like a head and shoulders, right? That's exact. This thing still looks like a little head and shoulders right here. And I gotta warn you, if this is a head and shoulders right here, this will mean that the longs will come all the way back down here to the bottom again, right? This looked like a bull flag. It broke out. Look, it just got rejected though again. So, I mean, you can pretty much go over here and throw just do something like that. See if this breaks out to the bottom side there. All right, like this. That sure kind of looks bull flaggish. And then, but wow, what a dump on the, what a crazy dump on the shorts right there. Right, still very, very high. The shorts are at an all-time high, but now they just came right back out of the oversold area, overbought area. That's crazy. Nothing. The Stoke, all right, so the Stoke is giving us one more climb back, trying to get back to the top side. We're still doing skipping on the bottom. Right, so Jose wants to know, when is moon? Jose, it's very simple. We know exactly. Oh, look at that. Daily bounced off the Bollinger Bands. Right? Daily BB support. Right, very nice. So we got some daily BB support. The Bollinger Bands are tightening up again. Jose says, when is moon? I'm new. When is moon? It's very simple, Jose. You just come back over to this chart right here. Let's go find it. Where are you? This is the NVT chart right here, Jose. Baby Jesus is right down here. This is where he lives. This is his casa. He's got a nice nice condo down in Cabo San Lucas. It's where he winters. This is where he waits till the bear market is over. It's a really nice place. It's on the beach. Really nice, great margaritas, some senoritas. He just lays around all day, you know, kind of doing a little surfing, doing some swimming, a little exercising. He's just waiting to come back like a champ. So this is where Baby Bull Jesus is, but you got to break 51. You're going to start looking for Baby Bull Jesus when you break 51. Everything else in here bouncing around, and we also think that we will possibly hit down here when we hit anywhere from in this range, right? This is our range. It goes all the way up to 2,500 and goes all the way down to almost 1,800 right now. Yes, we're already halfway there. Yeah. So I think that's it. I think there's not much to say today. Like, I still think we're just going to be range trading all day, and that's it. Just plan on a bunch of range trading here. This can go all the way up. There's nothing that says this can't go all the way up here, and we're just going to kind of bop around for the whole weekend, and that's it. Pretty simple. I think that's all we got for today, unless we have some crazy breakout.